US MQ-9 Reaper captures Hamas fighters looting aid convoy in Gaza. The U.S. Central Command said on November 1 that one of its unmanned aircraft observed suspected Hamas operatives attacking and looting an aid truck in southern Gaza, an incident it said undermines ongoing international humanitarian efforts in the region. According to a release from U.S. Central Command, CENTCOM, the event occurred on October 31 near northern Khan Younis. A US-led civil-military coordination center team monitoring the ceasefire between Hamas and Israel detected the attack through real-time video captured by an MQ-9 Reaper drone. CENTCOM said the operative stopped a truck that was part of a humanitarian convoy delivering supplies from international partners to civilians in Gaza. The attackers reportedly assaulted the driver, removed him from the vehicle, and stole the truck and its contents. The driver's current status is unknown, the release stated.